Here we are in section 4-4, exercises 1 through 10. Find the following. Here we're using the dot for multiplication. It's just order of operations. So 7 plus 6 times 3 is 18 minus 8 times 5 is 40. 7 plus 18 is 25 minus 40. So this is the same as 40 minus 25 is a 15, but the negative one is stronger, so the negative one wins. So we have negative 15. Good. Number 2. 2 times v times 9 times m. 2 times 9 is 18. We don't know what the v is. We don't know what the m is, but 18 times v times m, we can write it down just like that. Good. Number 3. 6 times 3 minus 7 is a negative 4. Minus 4 squared is 16 times 7 plus 4 is 11. So 16 times 11, we should do this over here, times 11. We get 16, 0 on the second row, 16 there, and we get 176. So this is negative 24 minus 176. Notice these are two negative numbers, and so being two negative numbers, they actually add together, all in the negative direction. So let's write that down. We actually have the negative 176 and the negative 24. So these are the same, which means we're adding them. 6 plus 4 is 10, carry the 1. 1 plus 7 is 8, plus 2 is 10, carry the 1. 200, all in the negative direction. Good. Number 4, we have a perimeter. Now, what is it with a perimeter here? Perimeter means to go around and measure. So here we're going to start here and we're just going to go around. So we have 11 plus 12 plus s minus 4 plus 8 plus t plus 3. So we can do it a little bit at a time. Let's take these numbers and add them together first. That'll be the easiest. 8 plus 12 is 20 plus 11 is 31. Okay, so we're going to have 31. Then we have plus s minus 4, and we have plus t plus 3. So now we can take that guy and that guy and that guy. 31 minus 4 is 27, plus 3 is 30. We don't know what the s is. We don't know what the t is. So 30 plus s plus t, or you could write it t plus 30 plus s or t plus s plus 30. Either any of those orders would be fine. Okay, number 5. 13 plus 18 plus f plus 2. All right, so 13 plus 18 is 31. Take those two, and we got 31 plus 2 is 33, so we have a 33 plus that f. We don't really know what that f is, but that's how you can write it, or f plus 30 would be fine. Okay, number 6. Kara's monthly budget, so let's call it a B for budget. I think that's good. Or we could use C for Kara's. That's the equal sign. 120 less than. Now, less than is a minus sign, but it means subtracted from. So the 120 goes over here, and then twice Rodrigo's. So Kara's is 120 less than twice Rodrigo's. Oh, that's good. Okay. So, number 7, there are 3 times as many nurses as doctors. Oh boy, this is that confusing one. At least for me it is. We know there are more nurses than doctors. So the number of nurses is 3 times the number of doctors. 3 times the doctors. So N is 3 times the doctors. There are 3 times as many nurses as doctors. Let's double check. Let's say there were 2 doctors. Then 3 times as many nurses as doctors, that would be 3 times, so we get 6. So 3 times, so if D is 2, times 3 is 6. Yeah, that makes sense now. Okay, let's not cover up the next problem. All right, number 8. Find the following when P is negative 5, R is 7, T is 2/3, and A equals 4. So here we have 12 minus, that's a 4 cubed. So 4 times 4 is 16. 16 times 4, 4, carry the 2, 24. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 2 is 6. 12 minus 64. So we've got to do 64 minus 12, which is 52, but the negative 1 wins. So a negative 52. Number 9. 5 times, let me see, 5, no, sorry, number 9, 7 times a, which is a 4, 7 times 4 minus 12, so that's 28 minus 12 all over 4. That's 28 minus 12 is 16 over 4. That comes out, oh, it comes out nice to the number 4. Good. Number 10. Let me see. R, what's R? R is 7, so that's 2 times 7 minus, so we put a 7 there. A 3 times P. P is a negative 5, so minus 3 times a negative 5. Plus 9 times, what's T? T is 2/3. Do that up here. 9 times 2/3. That's 9 over 1. Gives me 18 over 3, which is 6. Notice we could have also pre-canceled and had 3 up here and 1 there. Divided 3 out of top and bottom, and 3 times 2 is 6. So 9 times 2/3, so that's a 6. So we have 14 plus 15. Notice this is minus a negative 15, or you can picture that as a negative 3 times a negative 5 is positive 15, plus 6. 14 plus 15 is 29, plus 6, that is 35.